What's up, YouTube? I just picked up these cheap vehicle dollies off of the internet. The reviews were mixed. I'm not sure if I wasted my money yet or not. They're 6,000 pound capacity, and I'm going to be using them on this new car. This is a C4 Corvette with a C5 body kit. We're calling it the C4.5 project for now. We couldn't be more excited to start on it, but right now it does not run and drive, so we need these wheel dollies so we can move it around the shop a lot easier. At least that's what we're hoping anyways. So that's what they're supposed to look like right there. Pretty simple design. A lot of them's made like that on the internet. Very nice. These wheels look a lot better than some that I was seeing on there. That doesn't mean a whole lot. They just look a little bit better. Maybe it's because they're red. I don't know. Let's see here. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, I did see a review on there where somebody said they didn't get one of their wheels in there. Up in there, you can see the little ball bearings. Looks like one's missing right there. I don't know if you can see that on camera or not. Maybe that's just how they are. I don't know. The wheels seem to be made of an inner plastic bushing, a center plastic bushing, and maybe like a softer outer plastic. Hopefully that outer plastic doesn't just destroy itself. I was really hoping to find some with metal wheels, but I wasn't having very much luck. They are greased. Here we are, diamond plate still. Nice looking paint for the most part, given it's just a tool. See how these welds are right here. Pretty decent. Break the old tape measure out and show you some dimensions of things. How thick this is, how wide, how long, how big the wheels are. Let's get started. Diamond plate is 1/8 of an inch thick, 15 inches long, by 12 inches wide. The wheel diameter is about 3 inches. One of the biggest mixed reviews I was seeing on cheap wheel dollies in general is that they're all fine until you put a vehicle on them, and some of them just don't roll. Or it takes several people to make it roll. That's my big concern. I really want one that I can roll easily. Another thing to note about these wheels is they do have brakes. So now I'm going to get these assembled and put under the car, and we will see if they roll. Let it be noted that all the hardware was in the box too. Nothing has been missing. Well, let's see how they roll. Decent enough, I guess. How about a little bit of weight? Oh, don't hit the Mercedes. There we go. Not bad. Now let's put it under the C4.5. We're on dollies. Okay, I have not tried pushing it at all yet. They fit on there okay. These are pretty wide wheels, and I didn't get it exactly centered, but it still covers the dolly pretty good. I've got this strap here. I'm just gonna wrap my wrist around it and see if it will pull. Okay. I'm probably gonna have to put my whole body into it. Let me see if I can get it rolling. Okay, I can roll it. I don't wanna hit anything, but I'm just one-handing it here. And it is rolling. So, that much I'm impressed with. I think the direction of the wheels have a lot to do with it. So if you was to put these dollies in here and adjust these wheels in the direction you want them to go before you set the weight down on it, I think you'll have a whole lot better success. I just threw mine under there and it worked, but I had to put some oomph into it to get it started. And I got really close to the go bolt. Let's see if I can push it away pretty easily. Yep, pushes right over. Very cool. Let me just, a one-hander here. Oh my goodness. I am highly impressed on how easy that is moving. See if I can just do a finger. Oh, one finger in it. It's moving. Cool. I am very happy about that. So I guess I'm going to give them an A+ rating for now. Maybe in a year's time I'll have a different story for you. But as of right now, these are some solid dollies. Great price. I'll put a link in the description below. Comment, like, subscribe. Have you had wheel dollies like this? Did you have bad luck out of yours? Hopefully these are pretty good for us. We're only going to be using these for small vehicles for the most part. We're S10 guys. That's the biggest car we've got right now is a Mercedes S550 W221 chassis. And it's a lot heavier than this Corvette is. We also have a Duramax outside, but I really don't think that it should be on these. It'll probably overload it.